When I make chicken with pasta like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. I'll start by adding water in a pot, then 200 grams of pasta. This recipe will surprise you. Finally, a teaspoon of salt, and I'll let it cook. Then I will cut a chicken breast into small pieces. The result is simply amazing. In another pan, I will add olive oil. Now I'll add the chicken and stir until fried. Once this is done, I will season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of black pepper, and then I will stir everything very well until all the seasonings are added to the chicken and get to that point. In another pan, I will add olive oil. Now I'll add a chopped onion, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and I'll stir everything very well until fried. Done this, I will add 200 grams of champignon mushroom, and I will stir again with the help of a spatula to sauté. Then I will add 200 grams of heavy cream, and I will stir again. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe with chicken. I would love to know. Now I'm going to add 120 milliliters of milk, and once again I'm going to stir with the spatula so that the ingredients mix. Then I will add 50 grams of Parmesan, and I will stir it again to add to the recipe. Now I will add the chicken, and again I will stir.